5 best quality products. The 5 best gimbal stabilizer in the present time. We are going to check out 5 best quality gimbal stabilizer this year. This list is best in my personal opinion, and I try to list the best products on their price, quality, durability and many more. If you watch this product, the latest price and update, need, or more information about gimbal stabilizer, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Now we are going to start our 5 best quality gimbal stabilizer reviews. Our best 5. Number 5, MOZA Mini S Foldable 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer for Smartphone, Black. Lightweight, easy to carry, helping you have a happy experience. Easy to rotate, fast switching between horizontal and vertical shots. Track objects and targets. Pirate the dream space, experience the depth of time and space. Time-lapse photography, recording precious moment. Playing with the zoom, improving the texture of the photo. Simple buttons for easy control of the horizon. Intelligent trigger button, fast switching function. Powerful built-in 2200 mAh battery life, don't worry about no electricity. Our best 4. Number 4, Marsoar Glide 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer for mobile phones, Black. Imaging stably, splice the picture with exquisite and natural details. Automatic face recognition and object tracking, capture something in motion clearly. Available to quickly locate and precisely zoom the shot you desired. Support to panoramic shooting, making a more comprehensive and powerful visual field. Horizontal and vertical shot switching with ease, adapting to various shooting needs. Equipped with a 1800 mAh battery, up to 8 hours of standby time. Adopt high-performance composite material, scratch-proof and wear-resistant. Ergonomic design, comfortable to hold and easy to use. Our best 3. Number 3, Xiaomi Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer ZHIYUN FM 3-axis International version for action camera cell phone, China. AI Smart Track. Switch between multiple shooting modes. 5000 mAh large capacity battery, can last up to 16 hours. Applicable to the phones of 56-86mm, compatible with sports cameras within 200 grams. Note, the shooting performance of the handheld stabilizer is mainly based on the mobile phone. Some Android mobile phone users cannot use all PTZ functions temporarily. Package weight: 1.032 kilograms. Package sizzle XWXH: 32.40 x 14.70 x 6.70 centimeters, 12.76 x 5.79 x 2.64 inches. Package contents: 1x handheld gimbal stabilizer, 1x English manual. Our best 2. Number 2, Cinepeer C11 3-axis smartphone gimbal handheld stabilizer Dolly Zoom Panorama powered by ZHIYUN, United Kingdom. Record your stories simply everywhere. The C11 is an entry-level smartphone stabilizer with sophisticated features and design. As a videography partner with great value for money, it incorporates multiple modes for video creation and is easy for beginners to use. Overall, it is a perfect gimbal for professional filmmakers and amateurs, allowing you to explore unlimited possibilities that you can achieve with your smartphone. With a 3-axis stabilization system that effectively reduces shaky footage, C11 delivers a smooth, seamless image for mobile videography. Easy to change the image orientation between landscape and portrait. C11 offers 4 filming options: pan following mode, lock mode, full following mode, and POV mode, inserting creativity into your photography. Add an extra touch of cinematic style to your footage. Thanks to the zoom slider that allows for customizable speed, you can now recreate the famous Hitchcock shot, also known as the vertigo effect, with your mobile devices. Dive into vivid spatio-temporal transformation. Break through the limits of lens and capture 360-degree scenes. You can frame the object you want to track on the screen, and the stabilizer can do the rest. Shooting has never been so easy. The C11 can run for 12 hours in a row. And your phone can be charged by the gimbal via the USB port on the tilt axis. Thanks to its intelligent design, a comfortable grip fits your hand perfectly and helps you create your works without limitations. High-quality materials and exquisite workmanship adds shell material, injection molding technology with point paint, artistic and durable. ZHIYUN the app supports parameter adjustments, stabilizer manipulation, and various shooting functions. You can share your video to the Leda community, where users post their own videos and share their thoughts. Our best one. Number 1, FEIYUTECH Vlog Pocket 3-axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer for Smartphones, Black. Vlog Pocket is designed for shooting vlog. It is the lightest foldable smartphone gimbal. The eagle wing-shaped folding design makes it small and portable. Without balancing, shooting mode can be easily switched between portrait and landscape. It supports built-in camera of smartphone, intelligence object tracking and 240 grams payload capacity. Vlog Pocket enables users to grasp various high-level techniques and be an outstanding vlogger. Easy to carry, easy to vlog. Without balancing, ready to shoot at any time. One key for switching shooting mode: appreciate the world from different angles. Support built-in camera, give you ultimate experience. Hitchcock Dolly Zoom. AL tracking system with fast responding. Lighter body, larger payload. The long battery life satisfies all your needs. Charging time: 2.5 hours. Pitch angle: 240 degrees. Roll angle action angle: 165 degrees. Heading angle action angle: 330 degrees. Fixture width: 4288 mm. Battery: built-in 7.4V 1300 mAh 9.62 Wh. Working hours: 8 hours, standby hours up to 14 hours. Bluetooth connection: BT 4.1. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.